Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful Queen Anne neckline. This Queen Anne neckline can never go out of fashion. It elevates a blouse or a gown from 0 to 100. It's so easy to make. Follow me as I show you how to make this beautiful design. Fold your fabric into two to draft your basic bodice. Input your measurements, your basic bodice measurements. Input your basic measurements into this basic bodice pattern. For the neck width, depending on how wide you want it to be, you can use 2.5 inches for the neck width. Then the length will be 7 inches. Then the depth can be 4 inches, meaning you measure 2.5 inches from here to here. Then the length will be 7 inches. Then from here to here will be 4 inches. Connect the markings together. Don't forget the wideness you used is 2.5 inches. Then the length is 7 inches. Then the depth is 4 inches. You can decide to reduce this measurement or add more to it depending on how wide you want your Queen Anne neckline to be. Use your curve ruler to make a curve from here to this place. Use your curve ruler. Cut it out. This part you use your curve ruler to shape. Use scissors to cut it out like this. Then when you open it up, you have something like this. This is your Queen Anne neckline. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section.